Toncoin has seen a dramatic price swing in recent weeks. On May 7, the token hit a high of $2.90, driven by a major announcement from Telegram founder Pavel Durov. The price then retreated, now trading below $2. Durov revealed that Telegram would become the largest validator of the Ton blockchain, replacing the Ton Foundation as the primary governing entity. This shift signaled a structural change in how the blockchain would be managed and developed. The market reacted strongly, with Toncoin rising over 35% in a single day, but the rally did not last. The token has since lost about 18% of its value in the past week, underperforming the broader crypto market. The initial surge was fueled by the expectation that Telegram's massive user base would drive demand for Toncoin. Telegram now plans to integrate advertising and revenue-sharing mechanisms using the token. Advertisers buy placements using Toncoin, and content creators receive 50% of their revenue in Toncoin. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Through the Telegram ad platform. The platform is expected to expand further with the launch of Telegram Stars in Q3 2026. This could create a recurring demand for the token. The Ton blockchain has already seen significant usage. In the first quarter of 2026 alone, the network processed 1.5 billion transactions. Total value locked on the network reached $1.2 billion by April 2026, driven by DeFi protocols and gaming ecosystems built within Telegram's mini-app layer. These developments suggest that Ton is gaining traction beyond just speculative trading. However, the recent price pullback highlights a pattern seen in many crypto markets. After a sharp rally, on-chain profit-taking often follows. On May 7, the network profit-loss metric hit a 2-year high, indicating that long-term holders were cashing out. The social sentiment around the token also shifted, contributing to the sell-off. While the blockchain's infrastructure is growing, Toncoin's price remains volatile. The broader crypto market's performance also plays a role. If Bitcoin or Ethereum experience a downturn, Toncoin could be affected. The next signal to watch is whether Telegram's integration of Toncoin into its advertising and Stars platform will generate consistent demand. If the platform gains traction and more users start transacting in Toncoin, that could provide a floor for the token's price. Investors should also monitor the Ton network's usage metrics, such as transaction volume and TVL, for signs of sustained adoption. The market is still evaluating whether most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Telegram pivot represents a long-term structural shift or a temporary boost. For now, Toncoin remains in a consolidation phase, waiting for the next catalyst. The stakes are high. If Telegram's user base becomes a significant driver of Toncoin demand, the token could see renewed momentum. But if adoption stalls or sentiment turns negative, further declines are possible. The next few months will be critical in determining whether the recent volatility was a turning point or just a passing trend.